Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need a couple quick checks before changing anything. Confirm your Android version and current device region, enable installing unknown apps for the browser you'll use, and back up your TikTok account. Once done, download a reputable VPN from the Play Store and install a region-compatible TikTok APK only if the store blocks it. Make sure you allow the APK installer one time. This prevents interruptions later. These first steps remove restrictions and prepare your phone to accept the new network and app settings. Connect the VPN to a country where TikTok services are available and verify location using a simple web search or IP check site. Once connected, force stop TikTok, clear cache and app data so regional flags reset, and relaunch with the VPN active. This forces the app to detect the new location. If Play Store refuses to update, sideload an APK that matches your Android level. Make sure the APK signature is legitimate. Mismatched versions cause login failures and crashes. With the VPN still on, sign in to TikTok and go to app settings to set preferred language and region if available. This cements service access. If you encounter errors, switch VPN protocols or try another nearby country server because some servers are blocked. If issues persist, uninstall TikTok, remove the APK, clear residual files, then reinstall while connected. One key troubleshooting tip: disable location services or set mock locations off, because conflicting GPS data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.